Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to turn off or restart your iPhone. Now for the first method, you have to press and hold your power key and volume down key at the same time. Now just do it. And here you can see slide to power off option. From here you can power off your phone. Now for the second method, go to your settings app and then go to general, then scroll all the way down. Here at the bottom you can see shutdown option, then just tap here. You can also power off your phone from here. Now just slide it to power off your phone, then tap on OK, and it's done. Now the phone has been turned off successfully. Now to restart your phone, you have to press and hold your power key, and you can see the phone is restarting. And it's done. And that is how you can turn off or restart your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.